What's up guys, it's Ashwin. Today we're going to be changing the bulbs in my BMW 1 Series from the stock yellow ones to these white LEDs. So I got these LEDs on eBay. They're like under $20 Canadian. It's a really good deal. You get all the bulbs you need for the inside. So the vanity mirrors, the footwell mirrors, the 3 dome mirrors at the front, and the 3 dome mirrors at the back. So you're just going to get a plastic pry tool like this and just pop it out. And there's the old bulb. Just gotta take that one out and replace it with one of the T10 bulbs. Like that. Just pop it back in. So the driver's footwell is actually different. After you take it out, just gonna spin the little assembly out, take out the old bulb, put in the new bulb, which is a T10. So it's like that, and just like that. So the next bulb here is for the vanity light. I actually have my visors off because I was doing this dash cam install, so I even have this thing off. Alright, so you just get the tool behind here. Right here is the next bulb. So the next bulb is one of these bulbs. So you just gotta take out the existing bulb and replace it with this one. Alright, so make sure the bulb is facing the correct way, and then you just gotta pop it back in. Slide it like that. Just pops right in. And it'll be the exact same thing for the other side. Alright, for the dome light, I'd recommend taking the whole assembly out like I did, because it's really hard to pop off that clear cap to take off the bulbs. So what you gotta do, just take off both of the mirrors. There'll be a screw under both of them, and then the whole headliner will just come down, and you can pop out this assembly. Turn each of these knobs to take out each bulb. So turn it to the left. These new LED ones need some force because the PCB's it's a little thick right there. And just repeat for the other 2 nubs right there. I forgot to mention also, if one of the bulbs isn't working, just try flipping it around and it should work. Alright, so for the glove box, you just gotta do the same thing with the vanity mirror and pull the little tab out. And this is the bulb that you want to use there. Just make sure it's facing down, and then you're good. You could do what I did in the front and lower everything, but that's a lot more work for the rear one, so you're just going to put your little tool in the corner and be very careful. Hopefully I didn't break it, but yeah, that's what you got to do. And there we go. Let's pull that straight out. Hopefully it's the right way. Nope, of course it isn't. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so feel like this little cover won't go back in. Just push it as hard as you can everywhere, and at some point it'll click and then it'll stay in place. Excuse the mess in the car, but this is the LED conversion completed. So we see you got all white lights over here, over there, and it makes the car look a lot more modern, and it's not too bright either, so it's not blinding you whenever you're using them. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more content from this channel. More videos on this 135i coming out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to where I got the LEDs on eBay. And yeah, thanks so much for watching.